What's up, my resin monkeys? Happy New Year! Now, I'm pretty sure a lot of you are asking yourselves, what am I gonna do this year? Well, there's a lot of things that I'm gonna do this year. I have a ton of projects for you guys this year, and I thought it'd be cool if I give you a little teaser of what's to come. That way you get excited, I get excited, we all get excited. A lot of people asked me when I did Princess Serenity if I was gonna paint any of the other Senshi princesses, and well, yes, I am actually going to do every Senshi princess that becomes available to me. When I say that is because, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get all of them, but I can definitely tell you that I am painting, or I'm in the middle of painting Princess Mars. So you can look forward to her video very soon. And if you want to get updates on how it's coming around, well, you can always follow me on social media, any or all of them, because I post like so many updates everywhere, particularly on Instagram. You go to Instagram and there's a ton of updates that I don't regularly post on Facebook, or vice versa. I want to mix it up. And I know it's a little late for celebrating or making a theme out of, the remake for Final Fantasy, which, won a ton of awards last year and everybody got to play it again. But hey, it's better late than never, as I always say. And with that, I am actually painting this Tifa Lockhart kit. She's really different. She's not anime-ish like the rest of the kits I've been working on, so I plan on doing something different for her. So you can also look forward to that. I am also bringing a ton of Sailor Moon villains this year. Yes, I know a lot of you have been asking me if I've been, doing any more Sailor Moon kits. Obviously, yes, I'm doing a lot of Sailor Moon kits, with other ones on the side. I personally love Sailor Moon villains, and I honestly have all of them. So what better year to tackle them than this one? And to start off with our villain lineup, I'm actually painting these rare DD girls. Yes, the D and the girls, the DD girls. In case you don't know who they are, well, they're infamous for killing the sailor since season 1. I've had them in my collection for several years now, and well, it's time to take them on. So if you're into villains just like me, you can definitely look forward to that one. Lots of magical girls in the lineup for this year, not only for Sailor Moon, but for other franchises as well. And don't forget that I'm also doing a live stream every Monday and Thursday on Twitch. Mondays is for English and Thursdays is for Spanish or Español. Each stream has a different project, so everybody can enjoy a little bit of something different. And for those of you that can't catch up on my live streams, in real time, I'm always gonna do a TLDR version of highlights of all the live streams that I'm gonna do, resumed in a single video for you guys. And I've recently just finished Mizuho Kasami from Onegai Teacher, which you'll be able to see the video here on YouTube, the highlighted video, very soon. If you're interested in watching me live and, witness my shenanigans and idiotic things that I do regularly when I'm alone, but apparently with an audience now, you can do that on Mondays at 5:30 p.m. Pacific time, and Thursdays, if you don't really know Spanish, you can still follow along. But for everybody else, me pueden ver el jueves a las 6 de la tarde, hora del Pacífico. Since Mizuho's done, I'm gonna start working on this Eren kit. Now that, Attack on Titan is, the final season is coming out. We're all excited to finally see the big finale. So what better way to celebrate that than when working with an amazing Eren? So I have a ton of projects for you guys. And in between those projects, I have several tutorials and reviews. And with that said, let's start with a very short review for some cool paints that I recently discovered. These guys are from Australia, and I honestly really like the quality of the paints. I'm not sponsored by them, but I really want to do a review because I think these paints have really high quality and they deserve a spotlight. Color shifting paints have been the trend recently for garage kits, so let's see what they got. The first paint in line is this one called Alien. This paint shifts color from violet to blue to green. Usually, these paints are more used on Gundams and other models like cars and airplanes. But these paints have a ton of potential to give regular kits amazing effects. You may remember the Super Sailor Mercury I painted last year? Well, I used this particular paint to give an amazing effect to her water harp. These paints are recommended to be applied over a black base, as it will show the color shifting effect as it's intended. But I'm painting samples on clear and white spoons as well, so you can see how it looks like on all three surfaces. You don't really need to restrain your imagination on all the potential effects to combine with your painting. While each of the color shifting paints look similar to each other, they all have their own tones and colors to choose from depending on the application you want them for. They are all airbrush ready, so no need to thin them at all. I will also like to note that even though it says acrylic on the label, that's just how the paint is technically known. But for the rest of us, these are regular lacquer paints. The metallic line is nice. This pale gold looks great over black, but it's also toned down even more if applied over white. And something I did like a lot were their pearl paints. They have a great range in pearl colors, so I think they will be a big hit for anybody that likes to use them often, but can't find specific colors because of the limited selection of Mr. Color or Gaia Notes. Now, if you're in the US, you can easily get these through USA Gundam Store. And if you're in the UK, they recently got a new distributor there, and you can get them through Frome Model Center. And they obviously ship directly from their store in Australia. But due to the COVID situation right now, their international shipping is a little iffy. Due to restrictions, and I've been told by them that you can actually contact USA Gundam Store because they do ship internationally. So if you're in Canada or if you're in Mexico and you're interested in these products, you can go over to that site. Links are in the description box below, and you can contact USA Gundam Store and see if they can ship to your country. If not, contact SMS Paints directly on their Australian site, and they can probably guide you on how they can help you get these paints in the country you're located. I also want to note that I'm not affiliated or sponsored by either USA Gundam Store or Frome Model Center. I'm just letting you know where you can get these paints from. If you have any requests or suggestions for a video tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. I will consider all your suggestions and comments for future videos. And if you did like this video, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and tickle that bell icon for future notifications on videos uploaded to this channel. Until next time, my resin monkeys, don't forget to spay and neuter your pets. Help control the pet population.